You already use AI, but are you using the right one? Meet ChamPrep AI, the world's first truly unified AI workspace agent. Not just a chatbot, not just an email tool, a complete intelligent workspace that works across everything you do. While other AI tools make you switch between apps, copy and paste, and still do the heavy lifting yourself, ChamPrep brings it all together in one place. Talk to it with text, voice, audio, video, screenshots, images, or files, and it understands all of it. Summarize your unread emails, create work tickets, and manage your inbox, all without lifting a finger. Turn a voice note into structured tasks and meeting notes instantly. Review your entire day across all your connected services in one single view. Generate media, draft content, and launch ideas on command. And unlike other AI tools that just suggest actions and leave you to execute them, ChamPrep prepares the action and waits for your approval before doing anything. You stay in control, always. ChatGPT gives you answers. ChamPrep gets things done. Other tools live in one tab. ChamPrep lives across your entire workflow. Other AI reads your prompt. ChamPrep understands your world. Whether you are a founder, professional, student, or team, ChamPrep AI is the workspace agent built for the way you actually work. Start free today. Visit www.champrep.com. ChamPrep AI. One workspace, every tool, infinite possibility.